Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. For the first, I will introduce myself to you. My name is Ida Hamidah. I'm from Department of Indonesian Language and Literature, Universitas Kuningan. Thank you for Ecolite Committee for permitting me to presentation my article or my research. In the title of my research is Development of Indonesian Language HOTS Question in Class of 12 SMK PUI Cikijing. Well, I will presenting first in part of introduction. The 21st century learning requires learning to have three important abilities: critical thinking, creative thinking, and problem solving. In order for students to have 21st century skills, teachers are required to have ability and skill to manage teaching component. One of the ability that must be possessed in learning evaluation. Based on the result of observation and interview with Indonesian language teacher in 12 class in SMK PUI Cikijing, I find the data obtained show that the question used are still not yet HOTS or higher order thinking skills. According to Astutik Inhasanah et al., providing HOTS type question has a rule, including HOTS type question have rules including preparing competent students to welcome the 21st century and increase student learning motivation. So everyone, the research question is, number 1, what is the profile of HOTS question or higher order thinking skills in Indonesian language class 12 SMK PUI Cikijing? Number 2, the research question of number 2 is how is the design of HOTS question Indonesian language in class 12 SMK PUI Cikijing. And the number 3 is how is the development of past question. PAS that is penilaian akhir semester in bahasa Indonesia. And this study aims to develop HOTS question for Indonesian language based on 4 HOTS criteria, namely aspect of operational verbs, critical thinking skills, creative thinking, and problem solving. Ladies and gentlemen, the next part is I will explain the literature review. Groenland and Lin explain the evolution of learning is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information in a systematically to determine the achievement of learning objectives. The purpose of evaluation learning is to gather information that is used as a basic for determining the level of progress, development, and learning achievement students, as well as the effectiveness of teachers' teaching. And then, evaluation learning is now oriented towards development of learning potential such as the ability to think critically, think creative thinking, and problem-solving skills. These 3 abilities are known as higher order thinking skills or HOTS. Higher order thinking skill or HOTS is an ability that can prepare students to be able to face the challenges of life and academic challenges in the future. HOTS implement learning that priorities the development of attitudes, ideas, and skills. Maybe this is a literature review from me, and I will next for the method of the research. Everyone, the research method in this study research and development or R&D. Research method R&D is a method used to produce certain products and test the effectiveness of product. The 4D development model in this research is only limited to designs. Therefore, the development stage begin by doing 1. divine, 2. design, and 3. divination. Data collection techniques in this research use documentation. The documentation used in this research in a document of answered pass or penilaian akhir semester in Bahasa Indonesia kelas 12 SMK PUI Cikijing. And then we are next to I will explain finding and discussion. In the finding and discussion, I have 3 parts. For the first, based on the result of the analysis of past question Indonesian language, which is reviewed from our criteria, including aspect of operational verbs, or in bahasa Indonesia kata kerja operasional, critical thinking skills, creative thinking, and problem solving. The results show that one of the 30 item question that are reviewed from the aspect of operational verbs are still many in the lots or lower order thinking skills. Category include cognitive 1 or remembering, and C2 or cognitive 2 or understanding. The aspect operational verbs that including HOTS by 36%, from the aspect of critical thinking ability by 36% too, from the aspect of creative thinking skill by 23%, and from the aspect of problem solving by 6%, just 6%, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. And problem solving aspect by 6%. I mean 2 out of 30 questions. Based on this result, it shows to us that the past question used in that school applies the most criteria and critical thinking of all Indonesian past question. However, on problem solving criteria is still very less because there are only 2 questions, just 2 questions that support problem solving. Well, next I give the title Indonesian language HOTS problem design. In part of 2 about designs, in part of the about analysis, and in design HOTS problem. The question used are past question for 12 class in odd semester of the 2002 and 2003 school year, which total 30 questions. Then these questions were developed based on problem solving. According to Anderson and Cartwell, levels 1 of there are 3 the abilities of level 1 of 3 are thinking skill or LOTS, lower order thinking skills, and level 4 to 6 are HOTS or higher order thinking skill. So what is reviewed from the cognitive domain of HOTS skill thinking ability consists of C4 or analyze, C5 or evaluate, and C6 or create. Evaluate and create a part of being reviewed from the KKO aspect. Hot question can be reviewed from the hot question, can be viewed from the criteria of critical thinking, creative thinking, and problem solving. Ini based on Sunny. And then categories of critical thinking skill into 6 criteria, namely interpretation, analysis, interference, evaluation, explanation, and self-regulation. Ability creative thinking, according to Torrance in Sunny, consists of 4 criteria, namely fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration. Originality and elaboration Next, problem solving ability according to Bransford and Stein consists of 5 steps, namely identify the problem, define and state the problem, explore possible strategies, implement the strategy, and implement the strategy. The next, categorize critical thinking skill into 6 criteria, namely interpretation, analysis, interference, evaluation, explanation, and self-regulation. Ability creative thinking according to Torrance. I have told to you, namely fluency, flexibility, and originality and elaboration. Well, next, the part of 3 is development of hot question for Indonesian language. In the development of hot question were developed based on the result of analysis of the profile of hot question in Indonesia class 12 SMKPU Cikijing, which is viewed from the aspect of operational verbs, critical thinking, creative thinking, and problem solving. Well, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, in part of the last, I will give you a conclusion of my research based on the result of the research and discussion that has been described in the previous. It is concluded that the application of hot criteria in fast question Indonesian language is still lacking in its application. This can be seen from 30 items that are reviewed from operational verb aspect. There are still many in the lots category, including C1 or remembering, and C2 or understanding, and operational verb that include HOTS by 36%. From the aspect of critical thinking skill by 36% too, and then from the aspect of creative thinking by 23%. So it is same with 7 out of 30 question. And from the aspect of problem solving, just by 6%, everyone. By overall, past question SMK PUI Cikijing that fulfill the 4 criteria hot is about 6% or 2 items. Furthermore, those include in 2 and 3 criteria amount to 30% or 9 items, and the rest are included in smaller criterion by 63% or 19 items. Okay, and based on the result of the analysis carried out at the defined stage, past question is still lacking in fulfilling the criteria for hot question, and many are still included in lots question. So, a design in the from of a table was made to develop lots question into HOTS based on HOTS criteria in terms of operational verbs, critical thinking criteria, creative thinking criteria, and HOTS criteria. The development was carried out by creating HOTS question, for Indonesian language, Indonesian language, which previously lots category into HOTS based on HOTS criteria. HOTS based criteria in terms of operational verbs or KKO in bahasa Indonesia, including cognitive domain, C4 or analyze, and C5 or evaluate, critical thinking criteria, creative thinking, and problem solving. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time is up, and that is the end of my presentation.